problem I've been trying to figure out. We've got coolant coming out of our oil drain. So far in diagnosing this problem, I removed the oil cooler and pressure tested it. All that turned out good. I replaced the O-rings, the seals. So there's 2 O-rings on each housing and 2 gasket seals, one on this side and one on the other side. That got replaced, so the oil is not the coolant is likely not leaking into the oil pan through this system. I also put silicone on the gaskets to try to help them seal in case any issues with an uneven surface on these housings, because they're a little uneven, but they should have sealed anyway. You can see it's still leaking. This is a 7.3 engine, so it's common that they leak from the oil cooler into the engine oil or through the front cover. I rebuilt this engine, so I kind of feel like the front cover is sealed. I think the issue is the block may be cracked or something. So upon further inspection, it looks like we have antifreeze that's coming out of here now. So I don't know if it's filled up the cylinder so much to the point where it's coming out the exhaust valves, or if the cylinder head has a gasket not sealing, or if the cylinder head's cracked. You can see it coming out right there. So I turned the motor over a couple times, and now it's just pouring out of the oil pan, which most likely means that the block is cracked.